Hello students, welcome to my channel SY Learning, and today we will talk about personal hygiene habits. Personal hygiene is the key to staying healthy and confident. Personal hygiene is not only keep us safe from germs, but it also leaves a positive impression on others. Number 1. Brushing teeth twice a day. Number 2. Washing hands before and after meal. Number 3. Taking a bath daily. Number 4. Keeping nails clean and trimmed. Number 5. Combing and keeping hair neat. Number 6. Use handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Number 7. Wearing clean clothes every day. Remember, personal hygiene is the foundation of a healthy life and a strong personality. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.